Grow hair longer eating saffron. Saffron will increase your hair growth by promoting blood flow. Saffron is also a great aphrodisiac, so if you need to get the spice in your love life, I suggest you eat some saffron. This is saffron. It's very expensive. One of them, I think, what the most expensive spice, and this thing smells good. For 1 kilo, which is like about 2 pounds, costs over $3,000. So right now, we're gonna see if we're gonna put it through the saffron taste and see if it's real. So real saffron, that's all he put because it's very expensive. Real saffron is supposed to let off like a yellow color, a yellow hue very slowly. The fake stuff is gonna turn red, and then the yellow stuff is gonna come out quick. Wow, so I'm amazed so far. It's not coming out fast. This is a good sign. Okay, so I actually paused the video a little bit and see that the yellow is coming out very slowly, so that's a great thing. Okay, now let's wipe on the tissue. Okay, and you see the yellow, okay. Yeah, so this is it's confirmed, it's good.